Coast, East Coast. Capo. 3 Crown. RTM, get down, Rep your grind, shorty, rep your grind. Rep your grind, shorty, rep it all the time. Rep your grind, shorty, I'ma rep mines. Rep your grind, shorty, that's the bottom line. Rep your grind, shorty, rep your grind. Rep your grind, shorty, rep it all the time. Rep your grind, shorty, I'ma rep mines. Rep your grind, shorty, that's the bottom line. Charged up like a Hemi, engine still revving, wrist game, blue ice under club lights flexing. Down south girls start twerking, it's a blessing. My East Coast girls pop that onion, keep repping. We bout that money game, we bout that hustle thing. If you ain't about that life, you ain't.
Hey grind, this is Chanel here, Rep Your Grind blog. Here at the Winter Wind Down Fashion Show and Tour Drive at 2270 Park Hill Avenue. Tonight the host is Miss Angel, and DJ is none other than DJ Twin. Okay, tonight is a special thing. We have Kevin Tucker in the house. We have fabulous models, fabulous designers. We have wine here so you can wind down. We have
here tonight. Thank you, DJ Twiz and Angel, for inviting me. This is all kind of new to me. I am a new gospel artist that's coming. I have a single that I already have out on iTunes, and I have another single that's coming out January the 1st called Place of Worship. So I hope you can support me and get that also. My next song I'm going to sing is This Is Me. I only got one tonight, so. And this came from a place where I just didn't know who I was at one time, and then I started working with kids who didn't know who they were, and I started a program called I Am, which is I Admire Me, just learning, getting the kids to learn how to love themselves, to admire themselves or who they want to be and everything. So I hope you like it, and
we're gonna love it.
I hope you do. So it's called This Is Me. You looked in the mirror, you say, what is this you see? 'Cause you see a reflection of someone smiling, but on the inside you're hurting. Well, don't you know that you're beautiful? It's okay, you can make it another day. Oh, be strong, hold your head up and say, this is me, the real me, and
Yeah.